Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about TS Law Set 2026 3-year LLB paper. Well, the paper was moderate in difficulty with a balanced mix of static GK, current affairs, legal aptitude, and constitutional law, and the reasoning based conceptual questions. The exam reflected a strong emphasis on current affairs, national plus international, especially from 2024 to 2026 developments, making updated preparation crucial. Legal aptitude questions were concept based rather than purely factual, testing understanding of constitutional provision, legal maxims, doctrines, and contract principles. General knowledge covered a wide interdisciplinary spread, including history, geography, polity, economics, science, international organizations, and recent appointments or events. Several questions were direct one liners, but a few required conceptual clarity and elimination skills. Compared to previous year, this paper showed a slightly higher focus on legal current affair integration. Talking about section wise analysis. Number 1, moving ahead with current affairs and general knowledge. The difficulty level, it was moderate. And if I just talk about the weightage, it was high. Major topics that were asked are international organization, WTO members, international observance days, political events, economic history, science and technology updates, agriculture innovations, defense and drone technology, sports achievements, parliament and architecture, inland lighthouse project. Now moving ahead, going forward with legal aptitude. Difficulty level, it was moderate to difficult. Talking about the weightage, yes, it was very high. Major topics that were covered, they are Indian Contract Act, legal maxims, doctrine of necessity, constitutional articles, child labor provisions, Supreme Court composition, emergency provisions. Going ahead with the third thing, and that is constitution and polity. Difficulty level, it was moderate, and the topics that were asked, they were Article 24, Article 356, Article 124, emergency provisions, parliament powers. Now moving ahead with science and environment. The difficulty level was easy to moderate, and the topics that were asked, they are polycythemia, food chain consumers, plant health day, genome editing in rice. Talking about for history and freedom movement, the difficulty level of this section was easy to moderate, and the topics that were asked were Great Depression, Narasimha Reddy. Moving ahead with geography, the difficulty level was easy, and the topics asked were Strait of Malacca,